guys, what's up and welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I kind of just wanted to sit down and do a little product review on something that I have been using probably for about the past month or so. This is something that's come really in handy for me during this pregnancy, just so I can kind of have a peace of mind when I'm not at my doctor's, because I only go every 4 weeks. And so for those weeks in between, you know, you kind of, if you don't, in the earlier stages when you're not feeling kicks, I'm finally starting to feel kicks, but when I wasn't, you know, everybody would ask, so how's your baby doing? And I'm like, well, I honestly don't know because I can't see in there. I don't know what's going on. So anyway, my husband actually went out and purchased one of these pocket fetal Dopplers for me, and I just kind of want to do a little review on it. We had actually purchased another type beforehand. It was the one that you strap to the belly. I do not like that type. Of course, it says it's recommended for 3rd trimester, but like we even tried it on our own hearts and like we couldn't get a good sound. It just didn't sound right. It's definitely not comparable to this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just basically going to go through how you use it. I'm going to talk about what I like about it, what maybe I dislike about it, and then I will have a link down below for where you guys can purchase this one. It's really relatively inexpensive and it just basically puts your mind at ease for when you're not, you know, for those weeks in between your doctor's visits and when you don't get to see your baby or hear your baby, you can know what is going on in there. And I actually just read an article this morning. I don't know, I have to try and find it, see if I can link it down below for you guys. But basically, it was praising fetal Dopplers because what it has been doing is now that we have this technology, you know, back in the day, like when we were younger, the only time our mom could know if we were doing good is if they went to the hospital. But what's really cool is now we actually have this technology that we can bring home to us. And basically what the article said was that these are helping prevent stillborn births, because basically what it is, if you know, I usually check mine at least once a day, sometimes twice a day, check my baby's heartbeat, but what this one mom, it actually helped prevent her daughter from being stillborn. She was able to go in there and use it and one day and realize that the heartbeat was not where it should be, or so it kind of alerted her, and she was able to go to the doctor, and then they were able to help the baby. So basically, this is it right here. This is the unit that you get, and this is the little, I don't know, little probe or whatever you want to call it. Basically, it just comes off like this, and it has a cord here. It also has a headphone jack, but I never use the headphone jack because the speaker is loud enough. You don't need to use the headphone jack unless you want like maybe somebody else to listen. I don't know. I haven't tried that feature out yet. So basically, to turn this on, and I'm gonna actually use this for you guys so you can hear my girl's heartbeat. So basically, you just hold the power button and it turns on. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a little bright. Okay, it's really bright. So anyway, so it's on, and then on this side here's the volume, so you can turn it up. If you can hear that noise, see when I like tap on this, you can hear the noise. Of course, it's kind of trying to register that as a heartbeat. And then it's 3 megahertz. This one is 3 megahertz. Let me see if I can turn this brightness down. There we go. I know, just ignore my face. But the 3 megahertz is what you want. You want to get a Doppler with that. And basically, because it's going to give you the most clearest sound, the best sound, you're going to get basically more bang for your buck. The one that I did try from my stomach, it was only like a 1 or 2 megahertz, and I think that's kind of the reason why it didn't really work as well. So, okay, so basically it's on. And when you're getting set up, what I like to do is turn down the volume so that way it's not going, you know, making all this noise. So this came together. This was already attached. It came in a box, and then it came with a little tube of gel. Now you definitely need the gel. You cannot do it without the gel. I mean, you can maybe pick up like a faint sound, but it's definitely not what you're wanting. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on, and then I'll reposition the camera so you guys can see my belly. I know it's going to be so wonderful, but this way you guys can see how I do this. So basically what I'm going to do, whoops, that's falling down. Okay, so basically, there we go, stay on my leg, there we go. I'm just going to put, and I'm almost actually out of gel because I use this a lot. So I'm just going to put about a dime size on there, just kind of move it around. Okay, so I am positioned. Oh, I'll say hello to baby Ella. Say hi to Anna. That's my dog over there. So I am 22 weeks. When I first started using this, it was probably around 16 to 18 weeks, and I would be able to find her heartbeat way down in here. Now she's kind of moved up a little bit, so I'm able to find it right in here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this up. You guys are going to hear the stack noise. And there we go. I heard it, and sometimes it takes a little bit of moving around. There she is. Good, strong heartbeat. And you guys will see in the top right corner, when the heart is lighting up, that means that you've found the heartbeat. Like I said, she likes to move around a lot. And then when you're done, I just like to wipe off the gel, and then I always clean off this part here. Alright, so that is it. I know, again, it was kind of hard to get her. Honestly, I've never really done it standing up. I always lay down, and it's easier for me to get a better reading. So I know it... Hello, sorry, my dog. Anna, move. Anna, move. Anyway, but that is the gist of how one of these work. They're super, super simple to use. You can use it. Your significant other can use it. Family members. And it just works really great. It just gives you peace of mind. So you're sitting there wondering, going, you know, what is going on in there? I haven't heard anything. I haven't felt anything. You can turn one of these on, and you can basically just have peace of mind. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I am going to link it down below where you guys can get this at, purchase it. I'll have the link, and yeah, they're, like I said, they're relatively inexpensive, easy to use, and just gives you peace of mind until you get to see your baby, meet your baby for the first time in real life. So, alrighty guys, well thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this product review. I hope to do more, and be sure and subscribe if you'd like. I would greatly appreciate it, and follow along with my journey on my first pregnancy, and yeah, so thank you guys so much. I will see you on the next one. Bye.